Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Aura coin on XRPL. So we've got ourselves the 3-day closing with positivity. So here's our 3-day candle close. We had a 16 over, let's see here, there it is, 16.76 over 15.60 was our close. We're now starting our new 3-day candles. So this is just the first little chunk of time in there. So obviously these numbers can be skewed because it's taking into account a full 3-day measurement, but it's only giving us thus far, like, what is it, like 5 hours or so, maybe 10 hours of price action. So this is the beginning of the next candle. So the question will be, can we get the Aura coin on the 3-day to continue its trajectory to the upside? Daily wise, we're almost kind of actually bottomed out here. Again, we just got a little bit more time, probably another day or two before this starts getting to move to the upside. And this would check with our expectation that XRP would be rolling over one more time coming down into this region, and that would have an impact on the first couple, another day or so of RSI bottoming out here before we can start moving backwards to the upside. 12 hours still actually looking fairly middle range and bullish, and our 4 hours maxed out at the moment, so we will expect it to kind of roll over with XRP's breakdown. So yes, any kind of back tests in here are probably the ultimate buying zone, and I'm thinking we have today, Friday, and Saturday is probably the pullback for XRP itself as it kind of continues its rollover breakdown, wrapping everything up here at these lower regions, freaking everyone out, and then we can finally get out of here and be all done with this move on XRP. And then that would, of course, translate over to a bullish flip to Aura coin. So that's ultimately what I'm watching this morning, just kind of checking in. And we are below the purple buy zone. So this deviation, we'll see how much longer we have down here before we can get back up into this region and start grinding out of here. So thank you so much for watching. We'll check in tomorrow on Aura coin, but glad to see that 3-day RSI stoch cross with a positive 16.76 over 15.6, which is bullish. So let's get this. Very, very cool to see the flip occur. So now we just got to wait another couple more days for the next candle to close on this chart. And then I think we're finally going to be starting to march out of here through the next 25 days or so into November. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate it. And we'll check in tomorrow.